Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? I wish you all are fine and well, safe at your homes. Welcome back again on my YouTube channel, Street Fashion. Once again, I collected for you people the amazing and stunning Christmas backdrops, designs, and decoration, which is latest, amazing, and beautiful. So, watch the video till the end for a different type of amazing, beautiful ideas. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, watching the video first time, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon too, so you guys will never have to search my channel and video easily. You guys can watch my all videos just through the notification. The latest amazing video, you just get the notification and easily watch through. So give me your reviews and your feedback much in the comment section, so it will be really helpful for me and motivate me to bring more amazing collection for you guys. Like my video, share it too with your friends and family so they can also get designs and ideas from my videos. And I will be back again with my another amazing video. Wait for my next video.